How to link Instagram and WhatsApp accounts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can link your Instagram and WhatsApp account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to link your Instagram and WhatsApp account, there is no direct linking mechanism or feature yet. So what you can do is open up your Instagram and go to your profile icon at the bottom right. And after you're on your profile, what you can do is if you have a business account on your Instagram, you can link your WhatsApp to your Instagram bio, or by clicking on your WhatsApp account onto your Instagram business profile, you can add it as contact details. So what you can do right here is go to your profile, tap on edit profile. After you're here, tap on the links option. And from here, you'll find the add WhatsApp link option. Tap on it. From here, select your country code, then enter out your mobile number. After you enter out your mobile number, your WhatsApp will have been linked on your Instagram bio. So after you do that, you'll find your WhatsApp link on your bio. You can tap on this option and you'll find the WhatsApp option right there. And that's how you link Instagram and WhatsApp accounts. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.